हेलो एवरीवन। आज की वीडियो में हम रिपोर्टेड स्पीच की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। क्लास 6 बीबीसी क्लासरूम असाइनमेंट 73 हम इसमें सॉल्व करने वाले हैं, दैट इज ऑन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच। अगर आप बाकी की क्लासरूम असाइनमेंट्स देखना चाहते हैं ऑन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच तो उनके लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्रोवाइड किए हैं। प्लस में क्लास 6, क्लास 7, क्लास 8 बीबीसी की आपको प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी। आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके बाकी की वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, उनके लिंक मैंने आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्रोवाइड किए हैं। A part, fill in the blanks to complete the indirect speech sentences conveying order, request, warning, suggestion, promise, advice, etc. First, please don't make a noise, the monitor said to the class. Reported speech, the monitor ordered the class not to make a noise. Second, take this medicine only after meals, said the doctor to the patient. Reported speech, the doctor advised the patient to take that medicine only after meals. Third, the notice said, don't walk on the grass. Reported speech, the notice warned the visitors not to walk on the grass. Fourth, troops keep marching ahead, said the major. Reported speech, the major ordered the troops to keep marching ahead. Fifth, listen carefully, said the teacher to the students. Reported speech, the teacher told the students to listen carefully. Sixth, the principal said, stop talking everyone. Reported speech, the principal ordered everyone to stop talking. Seventh, the guide said to the tourist, don't feed the monkeys. Reported speech, the guide warned the tourist not to feed the monkeys. 8. I said to her, please don't reveal my name. Reported speech, I begged or requested her not to reveal my name. 9th, I said to the gatekeeper, please open the gate. Reported speech, I requested the gatekeeper to open the gate. 10th, Mike said to me, I think you should take some rest. Reported speech, Mike advised me to take some rest. 11th, I said to Amit, alright, I will share the expenses with you. Reported speech, I agreed to share the expenses with Amit. 12th, the chief said to the judge, yes, I stole the purse. Reported speech, the thief admitted to the judge that he had stolen the purse. B part, rewrite the following sentences in indirect speech. First, mother said to me, don't be late for the exam. Reported speech, mother advised me not to be late for the exam. Second, please forgive me this time, said the motorist to the policeman. Reported speech, the motorist requested the policeman to forgive him that time. Third, well done, my team, said the captain. Reported speech. The captain applauded the team, saying that they had done well. Fourth, students, remember to submit your notebooks tomorrow, said the teacher. Reported speech. The teacher reminded the students to submit their notebooks the next day. Fifth, Nick said to Tom, please don't forget to courier the parcel. Reported speech. Nick reminded Tom to courier the parcel. Sixth, I said to Emma, I promise that I will definitely return your notes in the evening. Reported speech. I promised Emma that I would definitely return her notes in the evening. 7. Mr. James said, Kevin, if you are late again, you will lose your job. Reported speech. Mr. James warned Kevin that if he was late again, he would lose his job. Clara said to Sonia, I think you should travel in my car. Reported speech. Clara suggested Sonia that he should travel in his car. She should travel in his car. Ninth, you should see a doctor, Mr. Khan. He said. Reported speech. He advised Mr. Khan to see a doctor. 11th, switch off the lights and go to bed, the warden said to the boys. Reported speech. The warden ordered the boys to switch off the lights and go to bed. 11. The librarian said, "Sit quietly, children." Reported speech. The librarian told the children to sit quietly. 12. I said to my dad, "Please come home early." Reported speech. I requested my dad to come home early. 13. He said to me, "Wait here." Reported speech. He told me to wait there.